I think what's also interesting is that you talk very clearly about the impact of some things that regulators are doing. And you've been very vocal about the impact of what kicked in from November 20th, tightening of F&O regulations. I'm just wondering, have you started seeing impact on volumes, less trades coming in? Do you think first of all, do you think it was a good idea, required, necessary?
No, I think, I feel, that weekly options was a really bad idea.
To start it in the first place?
As in, this was 2020, something around 2020, 2019 is when weekly options were given approvals for. And I think giving approvals for such a option contract itself is kind of was a bad idea.
But I bet it made you a lot of money.
Yeah, I mean it did, but it's like money also. In a sense, you look at a 10-year time horizon and you say, do you make money in that much period? And you don't want to suddenly make money and then your business, factors in for this condition to make money, and then suddenly you don't have it, like what we are in right now. So volumes have definitely dipped. It's already down 30%, and January 1st is when the contract size is also increasing. When contract size increases, then people who trade futures will move to trade options, and people who short options move to buying options. And the biggest problem in the market is buying options, right? The odds of you surviving buying options as a trader is really, really low. As in, and the flip side of this regulation is that we are kind of maybe moving people who trade futures to trade short options to move to buying options. And even the STT increase, right? STT increase was supposed to hurt option volumes, but it actually hurt futures volumes because STT is on futures turnover, as in. So all of this is really bad for the industry.
So bad for the industry, but you're saying good for the investor, because you started off by saying that having these weekly expiries was a bad idea in the first place.
Yeah, and it absolutely was. Mm-hmm. And then once you put that weekly options expiry, and then you had both the exchanges competing with each other, and Monday something, Tuesday something. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen that they would push it to its brink of failure. So